affiliate marketing versus MLM. Which one is for you? What's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video I'm going to talk about the difference between affiliate marketing and MLM, which are two very popular ways that people are making money online and actually having their own home businesses. All right, so affiliate marketing is basically when you're promoting someone's products, whether it's a businesses or an individual person's product, and straight up you promote it, and every time you make a sale you get a commission, right? There are millions of affiliate programs out there, guys. A lot of times things that you wouldn't even think of usually have affiliate programs. All right, but when it comes to that, most people, especially in the internet marketing world, they start with places like ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, things like that. Also, even, but they're lower commissions like Amazon. Amazon has affiliate programs, very popular, but their commissions are, rather small, right? But that's affiliate marketing. Very simple. You promote a product straight out and you get a commission. Bada bing, bada boom, right? Then there's MLM, multi-level marketing. All right, now this is super huge. It has gotten a bad rep a few years ago, just because there was a lot of scamish companies that was out there. A lot of companies that would pop up and then they would disappear in a year or two, leaving people like stranded. But the idea behind MLM is basically building teams. All right, so whereas with affiliate marketing, you get, you promote a product and straight out you get that commission. With MLM, you're kind of depending more on your money coming from your team, right? The people underneath you. So essentially, you're going to get a smaller commission up front, way smaller than you would just with affiliate marketing. Then, once you build a team, different levels, multi-level marketing, once you build a team, now your income could go crazy if you had, 50 people underneath you that were actually doing what they're supposed to do. 100 people, 200 people underneath you branching out, and you get a little piece of everybody underneath you. So some people like MLM, depending on what you're doing, MLM could make you more than affiliate marketing. And same thing with affiliate marketing. If you got some good products and services with high commissions, you can do a lot with affiliate marketing and make a lot of money. So which one is for you? I personally think that it's a preference thing. If you're not really into networking and trying to build teams and basically recruit people, because with MLM, there is some recruiting involved, right? If you're not really on that, I wouldn't recommend, getting into it. Now, granted, most companies, they say you don't have to recruit, you could just make sales, which you can, but the bulk of your money is going to come from recruiting. If you don't mind recruiting, the MLM might be the thing for you. With affiliate marketing, just like I said, the opposite. If you don't mind, if you just want to make straight commissions, you don't want to really deal with nobody, you don't want to try to recruit, you just want to focus on promoting the product. You want to focus on getting your commissions from your work, and that's all you want to do, then focus on affiliate marketing. Now, what I'm currently doing, and it's a glare, I hope this glare, oh, that's on the computer. I'm actually doing the best of both worlds right now. I'm involved with two different companies, which basically it covers affiliate marketing and the kind of network marketing, MLM. Genesity is the MLM network marketing company that I'm involved with. Network marketing can be very, very powerful, right? If you have the right if you're with the right company, right? And why I like Genesity is because the products that they have are very easy to sell. They're easy to talk about, and you can actually use them. Also, Genesity has a very low entry barrier. Is that, I'm saying it right? It's very easy to get into Genesity. It's very inexpensive to become an associate and start earning commissions and building a team, right? So Genesity, they're growing. They're in the actual $2 billion industries. They're in the CBD industry, and they're in the advertising industry, which is obviously, advertising is, everybody needs advertising, right? Any business. All right. So Genesity, if you're looking towards a network marketing MLM, definitely check out Genesity. Then when it comes to affiliate marketing, it's Builderall, right? Builderall is exploding. A lot of people look at Builderall as the alternative to ClickFunnels, but they offer more tools than ClickFunnels. Now, basically, Builderall is marketed as the all-in-one digital marketing platform. Everything you need to be an online marketer, online entrepreneur, even a local business owner who wants to market online, Builderall is it. They have an affiliate program once you join Builderall. It's 2-tier. So you actually get commissions, and if the people that you get underneath you decide, if they want, which they don't have to, if they decide to get affiliate, you're going to get 30%, I think 30 or 33% of everything that they earn selling the platform, which is, I'm going to do another video on it, but it's crazy earning potential with this program, because a 2-tier affiliate program can make you tons and tons of money. And why I like Builderall, A, I'm actually using Builderall, and B, it's another thing that it's easy to promote, because the tools that they have with Builderall is everything you need, from lead page generators. You can make videos. They got Facebook chat bots. They got their own email autoresponder. You can do your own apps. Everything an online marketer needs, you can get it for $50 a month. Point blank period. $50 a month. You have everything you need, and you can become an affiliate and start making recurring income. So that's what I'm doing, guys. So it's, I'm getting the best of both worlds, and I recommend, checking each one out, seeing what works for you. But both programs are great if you're trying to go, MLM route. Genesity. Affiliate marketing, Builderall, right? That simple. Guys, you could check out what I'm talking about. Links to both programs are, of course, in the description of this video. Click on them, check them out. If you have any questions about either one of these programs, you want to jump on, you want to get some training, you can actually comment below, or actually call me, shoot me a text, or give me a call, and I can help you get set up and give you the ins and outs of each program. All right, so check that out. I know this was a long video, but I'm bringing that content. All right, so be sure to comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a $1 billion industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.